In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clear, well-structured Confluence page from scratch. Start by opening Confluence and choosing the right space. Think of a space as the home or folder where your page will live. Pick the space your audience already uses so they can find the page easily later. If you're unsure, check with your team which space is the official home for this topic before you begin. Next, click Create to start a new page. You'll usually find this at the top of the screen. You can begin with a blank page or choose a template if one matches your needs. Templates can save time, but a blank page gives you full control. So pick the option that suits your content best. Add a page title that clearly explains the topic. Make it specific and searchable. Instead of something vague, use a title that states exactly what the reader will learn or find. If relevant, include a version, team name, or date to make maintenance easier down the line. Now add headings for the main sections. Headings are your page's roadmap and help readers scan quickly. Consider an opening overview, any prerequisites or background, the main content, and a wrap-up or references. Keep heading levels consistent. Use top-level headings for the big sections and subheadings for details that belong underneath. Write the content under each section with clarity and purpose. Start with a short introduction that sets context, then move into the details. Keep sentences concise and use plain language. Put the most important information first, then supporting details. When describing a process, keep the sequence logical and highlight the expected outcome so readers know they're on track. If you mention terms or acronyms, define them the first time. Aim for short paragraphs and make sure each one focuses on a single idea. Enhance your page with helpful items like tables, links, images, and macros. Use tables to organize comparisons or structured data. Add links to related pages or external resources and write meaningful link text so readers know what they'll get. Insert images or screenshots to clarify complex steps and add captions or annotations for context. Macros can elevate readability. A table of contents. At the top helps navigation. Expand blocks keep optional detail tidy. And info or panel macros draw attention to tips, warnings, or key notes. When everything looks right, publish the page. Give it a final read to catch typos, confirm links and images work, and make sure the flow feels natural. After you click publish, your page is live and easy for your team to discover and use. That's it. You've created a polished, effective Confluence page.